we finally got the new trailer for Last of Us 2. As soon as I saw this come out, instantly had the idea to just do something fun with it. Obviously being such a big fan of the series and the aesthetic of it, I thought this could be really interesting. I made a video about this, put it up on my TikTok, and it went crazy. Maybe like a lot of producers use this and it's been like heavily gatekept, and then there's a lot of producers that don't know about this. Look at all these folders we got. On this side, it's got ambient stuff. It just breaks it all down into different categories. You just click here to download it. We got the ambient dung-breasted ass pecker. This is going to be good for like a snare or something. We could layer this for sure. I'm going to sidechain it to this snare. Just even the texture, like if we put this up. So what we're really doing is taking what already works, this snare sample, we're going to layer it with something that gives it added character. And I'm thinking something like cinematic. I picked out this SRX World. I just thought it has some really nice like kind of organic textures and it would really complement the samples that we're using. I'm just going to start with hi-hats. I'm gonna add that snare that we made. We could probably add like a few of these just to create some really unique sounding drum loop. Now we're just going to resample this, drag it into the MIDI clip, play around with some settings, pull this back. I love to add these LFOs on here, just make it sound crazy. Over here we're controlling the volume, pan, alternating the pitch. We're making it sound a little bit like more organic by kind of detuning it. All of these, they're being affected by this LFO that is like a triangle wave at this frequency, but then we've got this attack and it's set to 274 milliseconds. So the LFO is going to take that long before it starts to kick in and affect the sound. Real organic texture, but it's in the same key as our beat. We're gonna add in like a bass line or 808. We want it to sound like some kind of like characteristics similar to this thing, but then I want it to stick with this theme that we're going with, ambient dystopian future. So I came up with this pattern, kept it fairly simple because obviously we've got a lot of like percussive elements. We don't want to like overcomplicate the beat, but at the same time we want to keep it interesting. So what I've done is I kind of cut the pattern into like different sections. So this is what it looks like. It started out as one MIDI. I just sliced it up and distributed it across 2 MIDI tracks, just so that we kind of get this like call and response of like textures. One last note on doing this as well, you don't want it to be set to one-shot mode, otherwise the tail of each of the 808s is going to overlap. So that's it for the beat. Thank you so much for watching. Just wanted to have a little bit of fun with this one. I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know what you reckon of the beat, if I did it justice. Go check out my Patreon if you want to cop this project file. I upload all of my Ableton project files up there. It's all included in the membership and it also comes with my stash kit. It's a really great way to support the channel, so thank you for that. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already subbed. I'll see you in the next video.